Hey, Kensie.
Hey, Andrew.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. I'm really excited. Did you know that National Convention is less than 2 weeks away?
Whoa, no way, only 2 weeks?
I know. I'm kind of nervous, though.
What are you nervous about, Andrew?
Well, last year when I went to National Convention, I packed my bags, but I forgot a whole bunch of stuff. And I didn't really do a good job of packing. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. I think I have the right stuff in mind to help you out.
Thanks.
Let's go ahead and get started with what we need to pack for National Convention. Make sure that you bring all of your small travel size items, such as your shampoo and conditioner, and even your travel size toothbrush. Now, we need to make sure that we pack our combs and our brushes. We want to make sure that we look very good whenever it's time for those early morning sessions at National Convention.
I don't know if any comb can help me with that.
Oh boy, yeah. We want to make sure that we don't have any fuzzies while we are at the sessions at National Convention. So be sure that you pack all of your lint rollers. You may need to use this.
Fuzzies are evil. Oh.
Very evil. Now, for the ladies. You need to pack some hairspray for sure. If there just so happens to be a time whenever your pantyhose has a run in them, go ahead and spray your hairspray on your pantyhose, or be sure to pack some clear nail polish as well. Now, at National Convention, I tend to be on my phone a lot. Do you find yourself doing that a lot too?
Far too often.
Yeah, and one of those faults is that our phones die very easily. So, make sure to bring a power bank to charge those cellular devices so you can keep updates with all of the National Convention activities.
Great tip, Kensie.
Now, Andrew, why do we need to bring a hat to National Convention?
Well, we certainly don't need to bring a hat to wear in our official dress or inside during the sessions, but you might need a hat in case it rains on the way to the rodeo. That happened to me last year. Or even at those good old country music concerts that we're going to be attending.
Oh my goodness, did you hear about who's going to be at National Convention at the concerts? Old Dominion and Brett Young.
Really?
I don't know about you, but I am really excited this year.
I'm pumped.
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to wear my FFA hat when I go.
Now, when we continue to pack within our suitcase, we want to make sure that we pack the heavy clothes first. So we want to pack our jeans on the bottom. And then when we pack our t-shirts, we'll go ahead and we'll roll them up just like this, so we can save some room within our suitcase. Now, to also save some room within our suitcase, with any boots or shoes that we may have, we'll go ahead and place our socks within our boots.
All the way from Clark County to Indianapolis, Indiana, Missouri FFA, we cannot wait to see you at National Convention. Be sure and follow Missouri FFA on all forms of social media and use the hashtag MoFFAIsHome to keep us informed on all the fun things you're doing. Have fun and safe travels. We'll see you in Indy.
First off, let's start with the small things. Make sure that you bring travel size items such as your makeup, wipes, I'm
just gonna keep it on so whatever.
You want to place my socks?